Good morning, student. Today let's continue the third question of the same exercise 14.3. Here a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policyholders. Calculate median age if policies are given only to the person having age 18 years above and but less than 60 years less, which means the policy is distributed the people those who are above of 18 years and below of 60 years. So here there is given the data age in years. Below 20 years 2 policy holders were there, below 25 years 6 policy holders were there, below 30 years 24 policy holders were there. So such type of cumulative frequency distribution, this is called cumulative frequency. So such type of cumulative frequency distribution is called the less than type. This is less than type of frequency distribution. Okay. In this less than type of cumulative frequency distribution, there will be written that below 20 or less than 20, less than 25, like that it will be given. It indicates that below 20 2 people were there, below 25 6 people were there, means this number also included in this. Below 20 means, below 25 means this age also will be included. So the policy holder which are in this age, this also included in this. Now below 30 is written, which means what? This number also included, these both. So this is 24. So here it is given below 25, below 25, below 30. Okay, 24 students are there. So this is called cumulative frequency. In the when the data is given in the less than type, so these numbers will be upper limit of the each class, which means here if you will make the class, because for finding the median we need the class, because for finding out the median we require the class as well as Fi, frequency. So for that we will first make the column of class. So here below 20 is written, so we will write here below 20 only first. Okay, then here below 25, which means it will lie between 20 and 25. So we will write here 20 to 25. So this number will come in the upper limit. Now again 25 to 30. This will be, next one will be 25 to 30. 25 to 30. Then 30 to 35. Because below 35 means 30 to 35. Then 35 to 40. Then 40 to 45. Then 45 to 50. Then 50 to 55. Okay. Then 55 to 60. Now you have to write your frequency by cumulative frequency. This column, by this column you have to write this column, okay, of the frequency. So below 20 there was 2 people. Okay, so we'll write 2. Now below 25 there was 6 people, but in this age 20 to 25 there was only 6 minus 2, because 2 people were out of 6, 2 people were there which are below 20, but we want the number of people whose age is between 20 to 25, which means these 2 we will subtract from 6. So 6 minus 2, it will be 4. That will be frequency for this class. Similarly, for this age of group, there is given below 30 24 students, 24 people, but these numbers we will subtract from this, because below 25 6 people were there, but we want in this age group. So 25 to 30 it will be 24 minus 6, which means 18. Similarly here also, which means we have to subtract previous cumulative frequency from the corresponding cumulative frequency. So 45 minus 25, 24. 45 minus 24, it will be 1, and this is 2. Then again 78 minus 44, 78 minus 45 equal to 3, and this is 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, how much? 3. Then 7 minus 4, 3. This is 33. Then again here 89 minus 78. This will be 1 and this is also 1, 11. Then 92 minus 89. 92 minus 89. It will be 3. Then 98 minus this 92. 98 minus 92. It will be how much? 6. And here 100 minus 98. 100 minus 98. There will be 2 people. So if you want to add these numbers, because n will required, n will be the sum of frequency, sum of total of sum of the frequency. So here for finding the sum of frequency you can use this number also. But if you want to verify your this number, you can add even 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 19, 22, 22, 28, 30, 0, carry over 3. Then 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100. Which means this number, last number and this should be equal. If it is given less than, below, means less than type data is given, so this total will get here. If there is given more than type, so this total will be here. Okay, means it will be in the reducing order. Now this we got 100, that will be n. Okay, so first step was we made the class, then second step we find the frequency. In the third step we have to divide the n by 2. We have to find the half of the sum of frequency. So it will be 100 upon 2, means it will be 50. Why it is required? Because to find the middle class, we require this number n by 2. Okay, this is very very important. If we will get this number, then you have to see in the cumulative frequency where this number will be occupied. Means 50 is there, so 50 means here 45. This indicates that up to 45 number is there. Then it is 78, means 50 is also included in the 78. So this number, this class will be middle class of the given data. Okay, so there is the formula for median. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So we will use here L is the lower limit of the median class. So lower limit of the median class will be 35 plus n by 2 will be 50 minus CF. CF will be previous class of the model class. Whatever cumulative frequency is given of the previous class of model class, that will be CF we will use here. So it will be what? 45 upon corresponding frequency of the median class. It will be 33 into H is how much? Here the difference is class size is 5. So we will write here 5, which means 35 plus you will get here 5 upon 33 into 5. Means 35 plus 5 5s are 25 upon 33. If we divide this 25 divided by 33, so this is less than 33, so 0. We will take 1 0. 3 6 18. So which means 3 into 33 into 6 we will do. 6 3 18, 8 carry over 1. 6 3 18 plus 1 19. 198. It will take more than this, so it will be, I think, 33. If we will add, it will be 1 9 plus 1 10 13, means 1 9. Yeah, let's take this. We got 33 into 6. 6 3 18, 6 3 18 90. 198 we got. If we will take 7, 33 into 7. 7 3 are 21, 1 carry over 2. 7 3s are 21, 23. Okay, means we got 231. So we'll take here 7. It will be 231. Remainder will be 9. This is 1, 19. Then we'll take 0. It will be, I think, this 6 are 198 we got. So 5 are will take. Okay. So it will be 5 3 are 15. 5 carry over 1. 5 3 are 15 plus 1, 16. How much we got? 5. This is 8, 2. 250 we got. Then 250 again the same. What you will get? 7. Means you will get here 35 plus 0.75. 0.757. Which means if we round out up to 2 digits, so it will be 76 only. So you can write here 35.0 into 76. So it will be 35.76. That will be median of the given data. Means that it is asked what is the age, median age, middle age of the policy holder. So it will be 35.76.